If you are between the ages of 16 and 25 years old, the time is ticking. You are in a critical moment of your life where you're going to become rich, successful, and live a life of your wildest dreams, or you're going to be stuck living a 9-to-5 job. Now, I know I'm like, well, why is Zach being so like do or die this or that? But the truth is, like, once you start hitting 26, 27, 28, you get married, you start having kids, and the risk and reward of starting a wholesaling business kind of gets skewed. Now, I'm not saying if you're 30 years old, like you can't get into wholesaling, you can't become successful, which you 100% can, but what is the truth here is it's a lot harder to go out here and put 50, 60 hours on a side on top of your full-time business when you have a wife and kids. I mean, just telling you the dang truth. And so if you are young, right, 16, 17, 18, all the way up to 25, you had this critical moment where you don't have this job that you're stuck with. Maybe you're just getting started on a job, you can work on the side. It's not like you're this big shot, this company making 100 grand a year and you just can't do anything else. Life hasn't screwed you over on a 9-to-5 job yet. This is the time for you to become successful and for you to actually make something of yourself. Now, every single entrepreneur you ever look up to, right? Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, all these people you always look up to, right? They all did the same exact thing. They went all in at a very, very, very young age. Now, Jeff Bezos, I think he was like 28, 29 when he went, quote, all in. But pretty much every big entrepreneur went all in when they were super young, because that is the time to do it. It's not when you start having kids and a wife and all these things. And I'm not saying you can be 18 with 2 kids and a baby mama. You could still get rich doing it, right? But I'm just telling you, it infinitely gets harder. That's why every single time I interview someone who's like a single mom, right, I say, would this be easier with or without kids? Like, if I didn't have kids, I'd have way more time for wholesaling. And they wish before they had kids, they got into wholesaling so they could make way more money and there would be better set up for the future. Because if you can time everything right, you're gonna be young, rich, successful, and have a ton of time on your hands. Then you get married and start having kids. If that's what you want, obviously you don't need to. So a quick truth bomb here, you've been lied to your entire life from pretty much everyone. Go to college, get good grades, get a great job, and sail off to the sunset till you're 65, 70 years old. Most people hate it. Most people completely hate their jobs, their lives, working a 9-to-5 job. And so if you can do something where you can work the same amount of hours and make millions of dollars, here's the truth, you can retire at like 30 or 40 years old. Because if you run up like $3 or $4 million, invest that in rental properties, by the time you're 50 years old, your net worth's gonna be like $6, $7, $8 million. You can live off of 800 grand for the rest of your life by the age of like 40. This is why I go out here and try to make 100, 200 grand and just invest all that money when you're young, because the compound interest is insane. I cannot stress this enough. Like, making $1 million by like 21 years old is the same thing as making like $10 million by age 50. The compound effect is insane, especially if you invest your money. At most, you're gonna get a 4 or 5% raise a year. You get 100% raise every single year for like 10 years straight with wholesaling. Now, I got started in wholesaling real estate when I was 16 years old. I had $300 in my bank account. I didn't graduate college. I didn't graduate high school at that moment, right? And I decided just to wholesale houses. Your age is never gonna be the reason why you're gonna fail in this business. A lot of people wanna tell you that you need this sales training, you need this marketing training, guys, all the training you need to become successful is already there at freewholesaling.com. You'll learn how to wholesale real estate and get rich right then and there. The information is dead now, especially in 2025, democratized on the internet. Anyone can learn how to wholesale houses. It's all free. There used to be these massive, super expensive paid wholesaling programs, but now it's to the people absolutely for free. And so you being told this lie that, oh, the only reason you're not rich and successful is because you're not in this mentorship program, like, that's all BS. We all know that now. The truth here is the reason why people buy mentorship programs is so they can buy somebody's confidence and success. And so if you just want that confidence you think you're gonna have by buying a coaching program, just have the confidence now, actually believe you can do it, right? And so that's the hardest part for young people, especially when it comes to getting good at closing motivated sellers. It's not the script. At freewholesaling.com, we got you the script. It's not having the right cash buyers. You can JV with 1 million people on freewholesaling.com, tens of thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people on all of my YouTube channels. So it's not the information that's the problem. It's not the buyers. It's not the scripts. It's really going to be that confidence that you are going to need. So if you can mix action with confidence, there's no way you don't make 6 figures this year. And so a lot of people really struggle on the confidence portion. And let's kind of talk about confidence for a second. Confidence is the belief in the words you say and the things things you do. So if you do not believe in what you say, you don't believe what you're doing, when you talk to a motivated seller and you don't believe that you can actually go out here and buy their property for cash, you are not gonna make any money in this business. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how's the seller even gonna believe in you? And then you gotta go out here and consistently take action. It's all about eyeballs in this business. Motivated sellers know that you're looking to buy properties for cash and they actually see your message. So it's not about sending 10,000 texts. It's about like 5,000 of those people actually looking at your message and seeing that you're actually looking to buy properties, right? I get young whippersnappers all the time saying, Zach, I called 10,000 people this month. Why am I not rich and successful? It's like, well, how many of those people picked up? Bro, it don't matter. It's like going to the gym, right? It's like, why am I not jacked? You know, because everyone wants to be jacked like me, the world's sexiest, strongest wholesaler. Well, the truth is, it's not about how much hours you go into the gym, right? It's like, oh, I'm at the gym 6 hours a day. Oh, wow, loser. You only go to the gym 2 hours a day? Ugh, what a loser. Like, it doesn't matter how many hours you're at the gym. It's actually what you do in the gym. Same thing with cold calling. It doesn't matter if you do 10,000 cold calls. It's about how many people actually picked up the phone, said hello, and you asked them if they're interested in selling the property. Contacts and actual steps is going to be the most important thing. And really, like, the big KPI for everyone is going to be your key performance indicators. Those are going to be the most important things you should be looking at, especially getting started in this business. And the big KPI, offers. If you make offers, you're going to make money. And so in this business, you should look at all your KPIs, right? How many calls you're making, how many people are picking up the calls, how many people are replying, all these things. But what's really, really important is going to be your offers. And this is a direct quote from me, but if you ain't making offers, you ain't making money. So just focus on making offers. Focus on making money in this business. So many wholesalers just want to go out here and cry all day about how they're not getting any success. Why are you making any offers? Because if you ain't making no money. It's always that imperfect action that's going to lead you to success. And so if you're young, hungry, and driven, let's start making some money. But we really have to understand about what it actually takes to become successful in wholesaling. Because a lot of people say they know what it takes to become successful. A lot of people know that, oh, I want to become a success. But what does it take to become successful? If you're 16 to 25 years old, your whole entire generation, I mean, our generation, right? They're terrible. I'll just be honest with you. The average bar to succeed, especially in the current generation that we're in, is really, really low. Most people are just addicted to their phones. They're doom scrolling all day. They're watching people dance with their butts on the internet, and they just can't get out of this dopamine hamster wheel where they just get stuck in it, right? And whenever I find a person who tells me, Zach, I just can't become successful, right? They self-destruct on themselves. I always say, well, pop up your iPhone. You have an iPhone? Of course I have an iPhone. Pop up your iPhone and show me your screen time on your phone right now. Screenshot it. What do you think everyone says? They always say, I don't know how to find screen time. I don't think my iPhone has screen time. Bro, you got the 15 Pro Max, XL, whatever. The fact is, you spend about 7 hours on screen time a day. You refuse to take accountability that you're addicted to your phone. I don't understand how this is a controversial statement. If you're spending 6 hours a day on Safari, there is a reason why you're not getting any deals. It's because you're focused on the wrong things. Focus on getting money, getting that guap, getting that moolah, and getting rich and successful. Everyone loves to go out here and play GTA. Trust me, I've been waiting forever for GTA 6. I probably gotta wait another 15 years for this stupid game to come out. But everyone's addicted. They're like, I'm so excited for GTA 6. It's like, well, why? So you can go buy a Ferrari after you go rob somebody? Like, why don't you actually go out here and make $1 million wholesaling and go buy a cheap Ferrari, California or whatever? Like, just go buy a nice little Ferrari with the money you make in wholesaling. You should get more of a dopamine rush from that than doing it in GTA. But no, everyone wants to go play the video games because it's easy and you get basically the same dopamine hit of buying a real Ferrari than is buying it on GTA. The funny thing is, if you look at GTA, right, I mean, most young men play that game. It's like you work hard, you get money, and then you buy nice things from working hard. It's the same thing in wholesaling, except when you have to work hard in wholesaling, nobody wants to do it. Everyone wants to grind missions on GTA, but they want to grind cold calls or grind SMS. Same basis in wholesaling. It's like we have to weed out the winners and the losers in this business. So you want to be a winner, show up every single day and do the work. I mean, guys, wholesaling is just so simple. You find somebody that wants to get rid of their property for cash, you write up a contract, then you sell the contract to a cash buyer. How do you find people who want to sell their property for cash? Pull a bunch of lists. I mean, you go to freewholesaling.com, they're literally all there. Like, it's so simple. Code violations, probates, drawing for dollars, water shutoffs, just go forever. True people search, cyber background checks, you get them all for free. Go to XLeads, go pull a list right there. Use the XLeads dialer, smile and dial, get some deals. I've always been a huge proponent on teaching people how to find wholesaling real estate deals for free if they have no money, and how you can find deals if you want to put a little bit of money in this business and spend a lot less time in this business and make it like a 5-10 hour a week business. I've always been a proponent of it's up to you exactly how you want to run this business. But to get rid of all the fluff, what do you actually need to get started? You don't need fancy softwares or fancy things. You don't need a real estate license, credit, experience, money. What you do need is a phone, a hustle, a belief, confidence, the free tools that I give you, right? Google Voice, my EOG email offer software inside of freewholesaling.com, my community, zachdiscord.com, freewholesaling.com, and a little bit of training on this channel and freewholesaling.com, and that's it. You just have to have that belief and that action in showing up every single day to do the work. If I could tell you to get your first deal, I'm always gonna say if it's in person, just get in your car, drive for dollars. That is by far one of my favorite ways to get wholesaling real estate deals and probably what you should be doing for success. Find ugly houses, tall grass, write the info down, put a sticky note on the door, skip trace them, call them up, get a deal. Now, if you're virtually wholesale, I'd say cold calling, texting is gonna be my favorite way because you probably have less than $100 and that's practically the only way with less than $100 to get a deal. Because like you're 16, 17, 18 years old, like I get it. But you just build a list, skip trace, market, lock up the deal, find the buyer, walk them through, assign, close, get your money. Now we can have a whole other conversation. What do you do after you get your first deal? What do you do for 10 grand? If you made 20 grand your first deal, and how to really build those systems out. Just to understand, your first 500 calls is going to suck. Your first 500 calls to buyers, your first 500 calls to motivated sellers, your first 500 lists that you're gonna pull. It's not gonna be fun. It's gonna be stressful. You're gonna be like, how do you do this? This is so confusing. And guess what? You get better at it, right? Like you're already addicted to video games, right? It's like if you played 4 hours every single night for a year straight, I think by the end of the year, you're gonna be really, really good at Fortnite. You're gonna get all these battle royales versus your first day doing it. It might be frustrating when you go out here. I remember when I first started playing Call of Duty in middle school, I was playing the campaign, right? And then I was able to get a router that was strong enough to start playing online. I started playing Call of Duty, like Modern Warfare 1 online. That's how old I am. And I remember I was getting nobody, and I can't say the actual word here on YouTube, but like I was getting no wins, and I was not even being top 10 on the leaderboard. And I just kept being on the bottom, right? My KD ratio was terrible. And I was really frustrated my first couple days playing Call of Duty. But guess what happened? After playing it like 2 or 3 hours every single day, I just kept getting better and better and better and better and better and better at the game. Because that's how that's how human beings are. That's pretty much any sport or game or anything you play. Same thing in business. You suck at the beginning. You're always going to suck in the beginning. If you're amazing at it and you get worse over time, that's not really anything in life, okay? So of course in wholesaling, you're gonna not be good. It's gonna suck when you're first getting started. And of course you wanna quit because you get no dopamine rush, except when you play Call of Duty, you kind of get dopamine rush as a beginner. But guess what? You just get better and better and better. Now you're not frustrated, now you're an expert at it. And I can't really say why you get better. It's not like, oh, these things, but like you just get a little better every single time. Your reflexes, how good you are talking to sellers get better, and you eventually become really, really good. But just understand, it's going to suck. You're not going to be good. I've been doing this business for 9 years, and I'm still getting better, and I'm still learning, and I'm still experimenting to this day. And I was really bad when I was getting started. My superpower in this business is I just never gave up. I just kept going. So when you get started in this business, you're going to be told a bunch of crazy myths. Wholesaling is illegal, it's outlawed, guys, it's legal in all 50 states. Again, there's some regulations in a couple states and cities. I teach that in freewholesaling.com, no really big deal. Your title companies and closing attorneys are gonna help you out. Your other myth is you just don't have enough time. The other myth you're gonna get is you just don't have enough time in this business. That's all false. You have so much time in wholesaling. Like, you have your whole entire life to get into this business. So even if it's an hour, 2 hours a day, go and do it. I highly recommend you really cut out your Netflix, video game, stuff like that, and just go all in on this business, your TikTok, social media. But if you could find at least 2 to 3 hours a day for wholesaling, you're gonna have success. I mean, you find 2 to 3 hours on TikTok, find it for wholesaling. And probably the worst one is you need money to get started in this business. I've created freewholesaling.com as a system to get started with no money. The whole point is I hold your hand on how to get deals without any money. Okay, now you got your first deal, go buy X leads and start making more money with the money you make. And so going from no deals to 10 grand a month to 20 to 30, 40, and to just keep scaling out from there. I mean, think about the big picture here. You're here not just to make 10 grand. You're here to make millions of dollars over the course of your life in this business. And the ones that always are successful are the ones that never, ever quit. So this is a long term. Like, I would treat this like college. 4 years, you gotta go out here and study. This is your freshman year. This is orientation. This is your syllabus week. If you treat wholesaling like that, within 4 years, you don't get a deal, sure, go quit. But if you in college, you're gonna be at least 10 to 15 hours a week in classes. Do 10 to 15 hours a week of wholesaling. Go through the free course, go through all my live streams, and put 15 hours a week in here for 4 years straight. And guess what? You're not gonna be making a 70 grand a year after wholesaling college. You're gonna be making 100, 200, 300 grand a year with this. And sky's the limit of how much farther you can go in this world. So if you're 17, 18 years old, treat this as a second degree you're getting on the Wholesale Academy. And I promise you, you're going to have success. So never complain to me about how hard this business is, because you're gonna be complaining to your wife and your kids and your future you about how you have to work 50, 60 hours a week in this dead-end job where you're not respected, you get no raises, and they can fire you at any whim. AI is gonna replace your job most likely. So why are you working so hard on a job, on a thing that you're gonna get replaced with AI like that? How about you get into wholesaling where it's only gonna be 10, 15 hours, and you can make millions of dollars. And it only takes 2 or 3 months of grinding for you to start making 6 figures a year, and you never have to work a job the rest of your life. It sounds awesome and beautiful. So if you wanna check out my free trainings, my scripts, download my contracts, my offer guides, my AI coaching, which is all free, by the way, like there's no cost to any of this stuff. Join my free wholesaling community, freewholesaling.com. I don't have a paid community. This is like the only community I have, freewholesaling.com. And I'll teach you how to wholesale real estate step by step. You gotta keep accountable. You gotta network with other wholesalers just like you in your city getting started and get connected with other people making millions of dollars. Go to freewholesaling.com and I'll see you there. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.